Yo, what's going on, y'all? It's AZ back with another bang. I got the Glock 18C here. Today we're gonna be showing y'all how to install a switch on the back of your Glock BB gun. So everyone watch this video very closely so you can get this right. Now I'm gonna first take off the switch so you can get a good example. What you're gonna want to do, have the slide back like this, you know, and then as you can see these little things right here, there's gonna be one on this side and there's gonna be one on this side. As you can see, they're both up. You're gonna want to pull them both down at the same time. I'm pulling down on the other one right now, and then I'm gonna get this one and also pull down. I don't even think you really have to push the lock on, but just make sure these are down, and then you just kind of pull forward. Be careful, don't be too crazy, don't break it. As y'all can see, we got the frame, the slide, and then basically it's really easy putting these on and off. So once you get the slide off, you're gonna want to get a screwdriver so you can take off that screw right there, because as you can see it's holding the button down so you can't take it off. Go ahead, unscrew that screw right there. As you can see, pretty easy, a little screw, nothing too crazy. You don't need no drill or nothing, unless you got a drill. If you want to use a drill, go ahead. You know, nothing's stopping you in this world. You know, the only thing that's stopping me from getting a, ooh, I'm so glad I didn't get the spring out. Ooh, that, dude, I would have been so salty if I got the spring out, dude. But as y'all can see, we got this little piece out here. Now that we have this little screw out, we got this piece out, and now it's leaving the button to be able to be lifted. So we're just gonna go ahead and just be careful, don't break the button. And you just want to go ahead, start lifting up. You know what I'm saying? You just lift up from right here. As you can see, it's already kind of coming down. Just be careful, kind of wiggle it out of there, nothing crazy. And now I'm actually gonna show y'all how to install the switch now. So everyone, so glad that we're making this video because ButtonLand actually sent out a couple of more things, chat. So this time, bro, they made sure I got the VECT max. This one's hard, bro. Like, imagine you got the red button with the red, like, that's crazy, bro. That's nice, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that's clean with the black bottom. I'm also gonna be showing y'all how to install a VECT mag in this video. I actually forgot, and here's the other packages they gave me. So, bro, look at these, bro. We got some new colors, bro. Oh my gosh, we got another gold one. I want to put the gold one. I have to redeem myself for the gold one. If y'all know about the gold one, y'all know about the gold one. But I gotta redeem myself. But we got, look, we got a silver button, bro. Because we didn't have the silver, bro. We had like a purple. We got a pink. I ain't gonna lie, I like that pink one, bro. I like that pink one. And we got like this neon green. This green's nice, bro. These are some crazy colors. I didn't even know they had these colors. As you can see, y'all, we have this mag extension. Obviously, it's not a real mag extension. So I told y'all, first one we're using. No! Now we're here, I think this was a sign that I had to do this because this might happen to some of y'all. So, you know, you might be sitting here working on it and you might come to find out that this spring right here came out. You know what I'm saying? You got this little spring, you got this little metal piece, and you're like, what is this? This is gonna be the hard part. So we got the spring here, you know what I'm saying? We got this piece. So as you can see, this little hole, the spring goes into there. The one thing I recommend for everyone is to get at least something kind of like pokey. It's gonna be a little challenging, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. So yes, you wanna get it like this. You wanna have this little hole facing you and the switch facing the back end. You wanna put the switch in there. As you can see, I have it kind of lifted up. Now what you wanna do is you wanna get your spring, right? And you wanna kind of just like, you wanna kind of slide it in there. Oh my gosh, would have gotten the chat. Chat, I got it. The spring is in there compressed, as y'all can see. Before you put this piece on, you want to go ahead and get the button of your choice. For me, I'm gonna get the gold one. I'm gonna make the gold one work this time. All right, it's pretty simple. Pretty much get that. Yep. You just slide it right through, bro, and then it kind of just like clicked in place for me. So now as you can see, it's in there straight. You literally just slide it up. Don't be too scared, but at the same time, be careful. Now that you have the switch in, now you want to get this piece that has the screw in. Make sure the sight is on there and in place. So you're gonna go ahead and get the screw out of here. You're gonna get this metal piece, place it down just like this, cleanly. It's gonna rest on top of the button, as you can see. And then you're gonna get this screw, place it right there. Then you're gonna get your screwdriver Gonna go ahead and tighten that. All right, y'all, and then make sure that your screw is in there tight, bro. Oh yeah, we got the button on there, that gold button, bro. For the 18C, make sure that your switch works. So you hear that? That's how you know it works. And you can look at the inside. This is to the ATF. The button literally leads to nothing, bro. It's just cosmetic, bro. Chill. All right, y'all, so now easiest part, you get the frame, get the slide, and before you put the slide on, make sure everything on here is straight. Make sure you didn't, if anything came off, make sure you put it back. Make sure everything looks basically just like this, like right here and everything. So, but it should be all right. So go ahead, start right here, and you just slide back, let it go. Ooh, now we got that gold button on there, bro. That is beautiful, bro. All right, so we got the switchy installed. So now, bro, we gotta get one of these VECT mags installed. And obviously, I gotta pick the red one, bro. It just goes so hard, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Guys, I ain't gonna lie. Actually, what is this, bro? What is this, bro? This thing is insane, bro. There is no reason for all this. To take it off, you just slide it out. So here is the black VECT mag. Is there a reason for this? No. But do I like it? Yes. I'm actually gonna try this mag extension and see what this looks like. So now let's just kind of lucky force this thing in here. Okay. This one I kind of just. So let's try this mag extension now. So I'm guessing it's just the same exact thing. So I'm gonna go ahead. You just kind of literally just, oh, this one slides in so smooth. I like that. That'll be, like, let me take it out. Yeah, bro. That is clean, bro. Like, that's actually so clean, bro. That look, got the B for ButtonLand. I ain't gonna lie, that is clean, bro. What I'm gonna do, y'all, is I'm gonna go ahead and put the red button on here. Then we're gonna go ahead and put the red VECT mag on here, and we're gonna see how it looks here real quick. All right. Damn, chat, this is crazy, bro. All right, y'all, so that is the end of this. Hope everyone enjoyed. Hope everyone found this useful on how to install not only the buttons on your Glock BB, but a VECT mag, you feel me? Also, so you got the mag extension that they got. Appreciate y'all for watching this video. If y'all enjoyed, if you found this useful, smash that like button. Press the subscribe button. We're about to be at 10K, bro. But everyone, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Yeah, peace.